Remember to subscribe. Cup. Hey babe, how's work? I got your text saying you had to pick something up, but you didn't really say what. I did the groceries like 2 days ago, so unless I missed something off the list, I would have met you after work if you had told me earlier. You know how much I like shopping with you. Picking up new treasures, getting to hold your hand, setting anyone who looks your way on fire. I know people just looking isn't bad, but it's when they look at you with those eyes, like your prey. Then I set them ablaze, because only I can look at you like that, my ember. Now, put on one of those fashion shows for me, with all the things you've bought. I love it when you do that, especially when you let me help you get changed. Those fashion shows are my favorites. Oh, Ember, you didn't have to get me anything. You spoil me too much as it is. As much as I enjoy getting gifts from you, I don't want you to feel like you have to get me something every time you go out. Well, unless you go to that cafe off the main street. Then you have to bring me back an iced tea. But only because I know you've been there. Because when I kiss you, I can taste their sweet drinks on you. And then I get a craving for them. But can't go out and get one myself, because I'm too busy making out with you. Oh, it's a, what is this again? One of those little game consoles you have, right? But yours is red and blue, and this one is, well, smaller. You sit on my lap and play the video games on this, right? I think. I could be wrong. This technology confuses me. I barely know how to work my phone, so you might have to teach me how to use this thing. Wait, I recognize this game. It's the Little Island one, with the cute villagers on it. Yes, I've seen you play this one. It's with the tanuki, right? And that cute dog with the bell. Yes. Oh, and I can't forget that one cat video you sent me. I still haven't forgiven you for that, by the way. So, how do I set this up? Will I be able to play the game with you? Oh, can we work on the same island together? Call it our home. I see. Well, let's set this up then. You can show me the ropes, and I'll do my best to follow along. even if I don't fully understand it. I do love listening to your voice. So either way, it is a win-win for me, my Ember. Is it pre-charged? How nice! So I just need to press this button here. Hold on. Let me get my glasses. This little power button at the top, and it should turn on. And then the two buttons next to it are their sound. This is going to get confusing quickly. There are so many buttons. Maybe you could write me a cheat code of sorts. Or an instruction manual would be nice. Just so I don't have to pester you every time I forget what a button does. Oh, the screen's done a thing. And there are two little tanukis. Oh, they are very cute indeed. Are these that big tanuki's children? Oh, how cute. And the names are matching as well. Or at least similar. I hope I don't need to tell them apart. Because I don't think I would be able to. Okay. My name. Do I have to have a fun or creative name? Or can I just put my actual name in it? Oh, and my birthday. Oh, I can't wait to see the cute little birthday celebrations this game does. Oh, the cutscene is very cute. And look at my island already. Oh, there's a lot of weeds. We're going to have to do something about that. Can't have it looking like a mess. Hopefully, weeding in game is nothing like it is in real life. And I'm guessing these are going to be my... what do you call them again? Villages? Oh, how cute. I like that one. She looks like a slice of cake with that strawberry for a horn. I hope she stays on my island. I'm not sure what to think of the other one, though. He looks a bit mean. I hope it doesn't bully my sweet strawberry rhino. Otherwise, I'll have to kick him off the island. Or make him disappear. Well, it is a deserted island. People go missing on those all the time. I'm sure these tanukis won't mind if only one person goes missing. Then, someone nicer can move in after him. It's saying I get to name the island. Well, obviously it needs to be something creative. And something that reflects on me. How does the Fire Nation sound? Or maybe Dragon Island? Or maybe just Dragon's Den? Or something like that. No, my Ember. I am not very good with this naming thing. And that's an amazing name, my Ember. I knew I could rely on you. What do I do now? I've done all of that Tanuki's tasks. So, I guess now I can rest. My character must be very tired. A long plane ride, and having to do so many chores as soon as we get to our new home must have sucked a lot of energy out of us. Wait, why is that Tanuki waking us up? I thought he stayed in the community service place at the center of the island. Is he coming to check up on us? Oh, how kind of him. I don't see why you don't like this man. He seems very sweet so far. And is giving me a phone. Maybe he wasn't as nice to you in your game. But I think he's very kind so far. Looking after me on this new island. Picking my name for it and giving me a tent. And all whilst expecting nothing in return. Wait. Why is he... What's he going on about, Ember? Little point things. Debt? What do you mean I'm in debt to this little Tanuki? I thought he was doing this out of... Oh, I've been tricked, fooled, scammed, all by a little Tanuki. Oh, I might need a minute to cool down. You're telling me I did all this work, cleaned the island, collected sticks, caught bugs and fish, all for this animal man to tell me that I owe him that much, whatever the game currency is. I see why you don't like this little man now, my Ember. I don't think I like him either. Oh well. I will simply have to see to it to get him kicked off the island and replaced with that cute little dog lady instead. I can do that, right? Right?